I've turned the toile the right way round, so all the darts are now inside as they normally would be if you were fitting this on a real person, and yippee, it fits. So I'm actually very pleased with it, it looks lovely. So you've got, starting at the front, you've got the shoulder dart down towards the bust point and the waist dart coming up towards the bust point, exactly the same on the other side, there, and then turning round to the back. There's your shoulder line with the shoulder dart, the waist dart coming up the back bodice, round to the centre back, and the same on the other side. And it all matches. So what you've got here, having modelled or draped the block, is a shape. You have proved that all the measuring and modelling of all the darts that you did in the half block have now made a full toile. This is not a design, it's literally modelling the shape of the stand, and you can make from your block a card copy that has no seam allowances on it because you work without them, and you can use that as the tool to pattern cut other shapes. What you're doing with these exercises is learning to measure, learning to create a shape, and learning to be precise in what you do with it. And the more careful that you are as you go along, the easier it is to put the thing together. If you try to cut corners, it doesn't work. And with sewing, you really do have to be careful with every part of it, that you measure everything, and usually I do it twice, and that you constantly look at it, particularly on the stand, to see if the thing balances, and then practice modelling the same thing again and again, and you'll find that you'll get more dexterous as to how you handle the pins, and it will get quicker, and your lines and the whole overall shape will improve with practice. So have fun really with it, you know. It doesn't, and again, also the other thing that I will say is that if it goes wrong, it doesn't matter, just start again and have another go, and you'll find the next time round it will be better, and the next time again it'll be better still. Now, this is not a design at this stage, it's a shape. It's a really basic shape. We'll be touching on design and all sorts of different ideas of design in part 5.